Cozumel has some of the best shopping in a gated community of anywhere I've been. You could just stay in this gated community and be assured that you will find anything and everything you need or want. Four kilometers from the port to El Centro in Cozumel. And a taxi cab there runs $8 for the entire taxi. So if you put just 2 people in, it's $8. If you put 4 people in, it's $8. And that cuts your costs down considerably. Bruce had the taxi take him to the post office, and I rode the taxi with 2 other people into El Centro, and we were to meet at the clock tower, which we did, and then we walked around and shopped and also ate. It's one of the islands that we always stop at and eat because we love their food.
The Catholic, it's nice.
We'll walk around downtown
Yeah.
first, yeah. Maybe take a buggy.
Living here, American people. Your house.
Oh, really?
The house, yes. Yeah. The apartment house. Many, many people. Green.
Sorry, my arm was about to yank out of my
Your mom?
socket.
Is your mom?
No, it's okay.
No?
My arm was about to yank out.
I'm sorry, my
It's
car is
okay.
small.
Alto. I'm like, she gonna stop. To Rio de Janeiro. Fortunately, I didn't do any harm.
That would be if you lived on a ship.
Can't live in that. Sweet, that's sweet.
Rolandis speaks up. It's nice.
Yeah. Well, I know. I read the reviews on what you told me.
Oh, I know where we are now.
Yeah. Did I read a review on a Lagostino's?
Agostino's.
Oh, okay. They had lobster, obviously. They had a little.
We were eating tacos,
Okay.
so you can't go by us.
This is on the walking?
Mm-hmm.
Yes? Okay, here.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.